OK.
Now...
A bit of light relief.
Well, it is, but we have to say that this was a survey amongst the Brits. So we think it might be a bit different in Ireland. But go on.
It would definitely be different.
The top 3 wedding dance floor fillers.
Yeah.
Number 3 is...
Go, DJ.
Go, DJ.
That would be pretty high in Ireland, wouldn't it?
So good. I don't believe it. You're making it up.
Wow, amazing. Let's just keep it real. What's number 2? I want to see what he does next.
What's number 2?
Sorry, can we get the lyrics board back with Alan? Can we do that? You're into it. That would be high in Ireland.
Yeah, that would be higher in Ireland. I think Sweet Caroline would be as well.
I think it would be huge.
Caroline.
Let's have number 1 again. I think it'd be Maniac 2000 in Ireland. Come on, what's number 1?
You are the dancing queen.
Young and sweet.
Should have gone from David for this
17.
Can I ask what you said? A very interesting one that I think would be very high up.
Oh, the national anthem?
No, Riverdance.
Oh, Riverdance.
Riverdance.
You
Riverdance
played
is the most-
Riverdance.
Yeah, we did, and everybody got up into the 1, 2, 3s.
Everyone would get up.
Yeah.
And for some reason, the Killers would be
It's
best
a
in Ireland.
floor filler. You do that at the end of the night, everyone sweats, everyone goes home.
OK, let us know. I need to compile...
Sweat the drink out of you.
I need to compile a wedding playlist. You do the work for me. What will get everyone on the dance floor?
What would your number 1 be? What would your dance floor filler be at a wedding or at a party? What is the song that gets you on the dance floor? We want to know. And Anthony Inofely says, I'm a wedding group and our best dance floor filler is 500 miles. If I could walk 500 miles...
That's not on the list. No. That's not on the list.
Great song. Would you not like that?
No, I wouldn't now. Let's look at this. Noel, from a DJ's perspective, the one song that gets everyone on the floor literally is...
Rock the
boat.
They don't still do
the
that.
bums on the floor, soggy bums.
Rock the boat.
Do they
Soggy bottoms?
still do that?
Spilt pints. Spilt
And then everybody gets down and does the thing.
Everyone's sitting and you can feel something.
Oh, the floor staff are getting in.
Please don't tell me that we still do rock the boat at weddings.
The floor staff
Definitely.
are literally on the floor and you're feeling the dampness.
Will we get down and do
Ours
it?
is Apache.
Will we get down and do it, Muireann?
No.
Come on.
Go on.
Come on,
No,
we do it. Come on, we
will
do
we
it.
wait until we
Come on.
actually have
no,
some
come
more?
on. Have we got it? Have we got the
we
music?
don't have it.
Come on.
Go on,
I'll
let's
get the music.
No, we'll do it.
Go on, Alan, start.
If we get the music,
We'll do it the 9 hour. We'll open up the 9 hour during Rock the Boat.
I'm sure you're dying to see that. You don't want to do it yourself, but next day you're going to watch people doing
Are
it.
you in the skirts? No, you're in
No, I'm actually... That's the only reason I did it, because she's in jeans this morning.
0896 111 111 for your wedding dance floor. We just want to play some music
Maniac.
today.
It's Maniac. It has to be Maniac.
It has, 100%.
In this country.